Hello everyone, this is my final project video. This video I explain how to work my software. Then let's do it. This area I can add my username, my password, press login. Then you can see dashboard interface. This area live time. This area full username and user type. Then I try to add new user. I type some dummy data. 555 555. Then click add this word. Then user successfully registered. I need to update on this row. Double click. Then add the first press update. Then it updated. I need to delete this row. Double click. Delete. Yes. It deleted. Back to dashboard. You can see other button item. This is the same of that user registration. You can add product, then update it, then delete it. Double click, you can update, delete. This area have categories and brand names. Some brand names you can manually add some brand name, price, days. All thing can be added manually. Back to dashboard, you can see category button. This area can help to seller to search something. Then try Logitech. Then you can see Logitech mouse or search category. Then you can see that relevant category. Back to dashboard. This one is I like most like history. You can see everything I do on this software. Click button, login, click delete button, click back to dashboard one, everything, time, username and user type. This area I try something on earlier. Then I show you how to work it. This username and user type work for this area. This date or month for this area. This I press the delete button, delete all login history. Back to dashboard, new wheel button. I go it and I search mouse name or Logitech and double press. Oh sorry, I add 5 mouse, double press, tab. I need to add some motherboard. I didn't add something. It also get one. I add 2 motherboards. Another logic keyboards, 5 keyboards. Then you can see everything automatically updated. This area you can see total value of every product, and you add some discount, 5% discount. You can see everything on discount and all quantity level 5 to 512. You can see it, and you can pay on the cash. Customer name DSK new, and I see that number of example thing on. I press print button. Yes, then you need to check what thing I do. Go to history, then you can see a new row, customer name. You can see is new and contact number, that time, or bill detail. You can see second bill, username, seller name, quantity, payment method, total price, discount price, date time. Everything are saved on history, but these two row tables cannot delete it because I think it important for seller. Go to dashboard. This is my software. I think you can understand everything. See you next time. Bye.